Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Today, we're talking about something that affects so many of us. Joint pain. You know, that achy, creaky feeling you get sometimes? Yeah, not fun. But the good news is, you don't have to live with it. We're going to explore some amazing natural remedies that can really make a difference. And don't worry, this isn't just about weird herbs and potions. We're talking about real practical tips you can easily incorporate into your life. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to joint pain and hello to a happier, more comfortable you, keep those eyes glued right here. We're about to unlock the secrets to natural joint pain relief. You won't want to miss this. Okay, before we jump into the good stuff, aka how to feel better, let's take a minute to understand what causes joint pain in the first place. Because you know what they say, knowledge is power. Joint pain can be a real party pooper, stemming from things like arthritis, which is basically inflammation in the joints. Then there's the wear and tear our bodies experience over time, from living our best lives. Overuse, injuries, even just getting older can all contribute to those achy joints. Now, osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis are the usual suspects, breaking down the cartilage that cushions our joints. And when that cartilage wears down, well, let's just say bones rubbing together isn't exactly a recipe for comfort. But here's the good news. There are natural remedies that can help manage the pain and inflammation. We're not saying to ditch your doctor's advice, that's super important. But think of these natural options as your secret weapon, working alongside traditional treatments to give you the best chance at feeling your absolute best. So, ready to dive into these remedies? Let's go. First up, we're talking about turmeric. This isn't just for making your curry taste amazing. This golden spice is like a superhero for your joints. Seriously, it's all thanks to this amazing compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. You know how some people swear by those over-the-counter pain relievers? Well, studies have shown that curcumin can be just as effective in reducing joint pain. And the best part? It's natural. So you're not putting all those chemicals into your body. Now here's a fun fact. Adding a pinch of black pepper to your turmeric actually helps your body absorb it better. It's like a little boost for your boost. So how do you get more turmeric in your life? It's super easy. Just sprinkle some into your smoothies, stir it into your soups. Or my personal favorite, make yourself a warm cup of turmeric tea with a little honey and almond milk. Delicious and good for your joints. Talk about a win-win. Next up, we've got omega-3 fatty acids. Now, I know what you're thinking. Omega what? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Omega-3s are basically healthy fats found in things like salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds. You know, all the delicious stuff. And when it comes to your joints, these healthy fats are like a tall glass of water on a hot day. They work their magic by reducing inflammation and helping to lubricate your joints, which is super important for keeping things moving smoothly. And trust me, you want those joints moving like a well-oiled machine. A recent study actually showed that people who took omega-3 supplements experienced a significant reduction in arthritis pain. So, consider adding more fatty fish to your diet, like salmon or tuna, or talk to your doctor about whether an omega-3 supplement is right for you. Chapter 4. Get moving. Gentle exercise for happy joints. Now I know what you're thinking. Exercise? But my joints hurt. I get it, I really do. But trust me on this one. Gentle exercise is like a magic trick for your joints. Think of it this way. When you don't move your body, your joints can get stiff and achy. But when you move in gentle, controlled ways, it actually helps to strengthen the muscles that support your joints. And strong muscles equal happy joints. Plus, exercise helps improve your flexibility, which is key for maintaining a healthy range of motion. Activities like Tai Chi, yoga, and swimming are particularly good for your joints because they're low impact. No jumping around, no high intensity anything. Just gentle, flowing movements that feel amazing on your body. And remember, listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're first starting out. Start slow. Gradually increase your activity level, and before you know it, you'll be moving and grooving like a pro. All right, folks, are you ready to unleash your inner DIY guru? Because today, we're whipping up a batch of homemade pain relief balm that'll have your joints singing your praises. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to make. We're talking 4 simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. First up, coconut oil. It's naturally moisturizing and has anti-inflammatory properties. Next, beeswax, which helps to solidify the balm and gives it a nice texture. Then, for a cooling, soothing sensation, we're adding in peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil is like a breath of fresh air for your joints, helping to ease pain and discomfort. And finally, eucalyptus essential oil, known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Just melt the coconut oil and beeswax together. Stir in those amazing essential oils, pour it into a little jar, and bam! You've got your very own homemade pain relief balm. It's like a spa day for your joints, right in the comfort of your own home. We've talked about all the good stuff, the things that'll make your joints do a happy dance. But now, let's talk about the party crashers. The things that can make joint pain worse than a bad punchline. First up, processed foods. You know, the usual suspects. Sugary drinks, fast food, anything that comes in a bag and has a shelf life longer than your last relationship. These foods are often loaded with unhealthy fats, sugar, and artificial ingredients that can actually increase inflammation in your body. And remember, inflammation is no friend to your joints. Next on the hit list, sugar. This one's a real culprit when it comes to joint pain. Sugar is highly inflammatory, and studies have shown that a high-sugar diet can actually worsen arthritis symptoms. So, put down the donut and step away from the cookie jar. Your joints will thank you. Instead, focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are nutritional powerhouses, providing your body with the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to thrive. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the bonus tip. This one's a game changer, folks. It's called hot and cold therapy, and it's exactly what it sounds like, using heat and cold to soothe those achy joints. Here's how it works. First, apply a heating pad to the affected area for about 15 minutes. The heat helps to relax your muscles and increase blood flow to the area, which can help reduce stiffness and pain. Then, switch to an ice pack for about 10 minutes. The cold helps to numb the area and reduce inflammation. You can repeat this process as needed throughout the day. It's super easy to do at home, and it can provide almost instant relief. It's like a mini spa treatment for your joints. So there you have it. Natural remedies to help you ditch the joint pain and get back to doing the things you love. From turmeric to omega-3s to gentle exercise and our amazing DIY pain relief balm, there's something here for everyone. Remember, taking care of your joints is an act of self-care, and it's never too late to start making healthier choices. Which remedy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. From all of us here at the show, stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.